Bikini waxing safe during pregnancy? A personal, intimate hygiene question. I, Dr. Puja Dewan, your gynecologist on Dr. Puja Dewan Gynae Chat Health Channel is here with you, bringing to you the merits, demerits, alternatives, precautions of bikini waxing during pregnancy. Stay with me throughout the video to understand for yourself, is it safe or not. Bikini waxing means that the hair of the personal, private, intimate area, pubic area is being removed using wax. So, why do we do it? It is done because it has some advantages. First, it keeps the area clean. Second, it prevents infections. Third, it prevents heat rashes. Fourth, the hair itself can cause friction and can cause rashes. Besides, in the last weeks of pregnancy when you are due for delivery, you would prefer to have the hair not there or short in length, because when you have a normal delivery in particular, there may be spontaneous tears, or we may have a cut given to us, that is the episiotomy in the vulval area in and around the vagina. So when that cut is sutured, stitches are put, it is much easier with less or no hair there at that time. It provides convenience. The question now arises, what are the disadvantages? Why you should not get bikini wax done? First and foremost, the skin itself during pregnancy is increased in blood supply. It makes that area in particular very sensitive and the waxing to be very painful. Even the heat that you perceive from the wax is much more causing discomfort. Also, when you remove the hair right from the roots, that is the base, there can be infection in the hair roots from the bacteria. It can lead to simple things like a rash, swelling, sore skin, heat burn, but the infection itself can lead to boils, folliculitis, a spurt of acne, and even ingrowing hair. You may be even allergic to the wax which is being used. So who should not get bikini wax done? Foremost, those who have a cut, mole, wart, irritated skin, previous allergic reaction, those who have varicose veins, prominent veins on their private area, and also those who are taking some medication for acne. What is the safe time and unsafe time for bikini wax? First 3 months, you may go in for a bikini wax. Some do not support it, thinking that the heat effect may lead to abortion. Last 2 to 3 weeks of pregnancy, you do not get a waxing done, just in case there is an infection or a skin rash or an irritated skin and you are just about to deliver. The period in between is all safe for getting the bikini wax. There must be some precautions when you get bikini wax done. First and foremost, don't reuse the wax, don't reuse the applicator, don't co-share the wax with others, don't co-share the applicators with others, and don't co-share strips or reuse strips or co-share the cloth. In case you have an option of a cloth, it should be nicely washed and clean. In case you have an option of strips over cloth, use the strips in place of cloth. In case you have had an allergic reaction in the past, avoid that wax, do a test drive. There are various types of wax. Which one to use? There is natural wax made of honey, there is synthetic chemical wax which is available. There is soft wax available, there is hard wax available. The soft wax is used with a thin layer, but the hard wax, it is used, it dries and then it is peeled off. For pubic hair, hard wax can also be used. Now, just in case you get an infection, what do? The best treatment is to apply topical antibiotics on the irritated skin. If there is a rash, you can apply a steroid cream. If there is an allergy, you can pop in an allergy medicine. If there is pain, you can pop in a painkiller. as safe as paracetamol. Now, what are the alternatives? The alternative can be to shave that area, to use an epilatory hair removal cream, to use a depilator, that is a machine which removes hair from the root, and to even go in for hair trimming. Amongst all of them, hair trimming is the safest option because you're not removing the hair from the root. So you're not disturbing the pH of the skin. So bacteria do not come and there is no irritation of the skin. You can safely also use a razor. But when your tummy is coming out and your pot belly, you cannot see what is happening down. You might even have a cut. Epilatory cream, you may have an allergic reaction or you may be sensitive to it, and depilators have the same side effects as wax except that there is no heat, so no burn will happen. Overall, my first question was, is bikini wax safe during pregnancy? Yes, it is relatively safe with the riders of who should not and when you should not get the bikini wax. What is the safest method for hair removal in pregnancy? It is hair trimming. What are the alternatives to hair removal besides bikini wax? I would say in third place, you can shave. With this informative video on personal intimate hygiene, I, Dr. Puja Dewan, your gynecologist on Dr. Puja Dewan Gynae Chat, end this video here. I hope you have liked this video, you're putting in your comment and you subscribe to this channel. Thank you.